This is the entrance ticket office. You can buy tickets online too. Bought my ticket for the Agora. Let's see what is there. This is the entrance and the ticket office on the right here where I bought the ticket. Water fountain here, drinking water at the entrance. This is the path leading towards Agora. Here I am at Agora in Athens.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Look at the work done on these stones. Thousands of years ago.
There's a couple of those. There was one yesterday.
Temple of Hephaestus. Students are here to explore as well. So we're talking 2,500 years old structure, still intact and standing. There are other ruins here as well, like this is the site of synagogue in Athens. The temple of Apollo, Petros. Temple of Zeus. Statue of Zeus. Altar of Zeus. So there are various buildings in ruins, obviously, but there are still remnants of the buildings.
Un gran canal conectado.
Civic offices place.
A tu jest ten budynek od...
Look at the structure. Two-story structure. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm in the museum part now. That's the way it looked like. Some of the old pictures from 1950s. Again, guys, we're talking these structures 2,500 years ago. different eras like Bronze Age, Classical period, Hellenistic period, Roman, Byzantine period. You will see the sculptures. Wow, simply wow. When you imagine how many years before these structures existed. There's a train line right next to it. You can take metro to come here as well. The view of Acropolis. I will go there in a few hours. Nice view from here. Remains of various buildings which existed. Imagine how it would be when it was all live. Looking at the Acropolis of Athens from Ancient Agora. I will be there shortly and I will post another video of that. It's a magnificent, really giant. Stay tuned for many other videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.